Hi everyone, this is Junko. We're making pokeball today. For rice, you need a short grain rice, and if you happen to have a rice cooker, I would set it into a hard setting. And if you don't have a rice cooker and you don't have all these settings, then just cook the short grain rice in a normal setting. And then you would add sushi vinegar here. If you want to make your own, you can make your own as well. The most important thing is I am mixing this rice as if you're cutting the rice. Instead of just mixing up and mushing it, make sure that you don't mush and smush the rice. And I'm also fanning it to cool it down. And 2 cups of rice for 2 people is plenty. You set the rice aside, and next you need a really sharp knife. So the way to cut raw fish is that you are using the whole surface of your knife, starting from the bottom and moving up to the top with one big slide, and you don't want to go back and forth like you're cutting a meat. Today I'm using tuna, salmon, and hamachi, which is a yellowtail. And you can choose any kind of fish that you like. And the most important thing here is that you need sushi grade fish. And I would clean your knife and cutting board every time you cut a different kind of fish, especially a fish like salmon, which is really fatty. You really want to clean that before you slice into a different kind of fish. This is a beautiful hamachi yellowtail here. I got it at the Japanese grocery store. So if you don't have an access to a Japanese grocery store nearby, you can always order online as well. Now this is salmon. Once you cubed your fish, then I would put them into a medium-sized bowl, and I have 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of ponzu. Ponzu is citrus soy sauce, and you can get it at any grocery stores. And I would lightly toss it and then finish it off with lime juice. And I would keep it in the refrigerator with a plastic wrap on top. So now it's time to assemble your pokeball. You serve the amount of rice that you like into your bowl, and you would start adding toppings. So for toppings today, we have mango, avocado, cucumber, and pickled purple cabbage, shiso basil, sesame, and seaweed, as well as wasabi. I also have yuzu pepper right next to wasabi, which is a chili pepper with yuzu citrus flavor, and it would add a nice flavor, so you may want to give it a try. I just added rice vinegar into a cucumber just to give it a little bit of flavor to it. There you have it. It's your pokeball. Enjoy!